I'm finna do something stupid. So Halloween is around the corner, and I've never gotten a chance to do any sort of like Halloween decorations, like the spooky, scary skeletons or the crappy pumpkins or whatever the kids had.
Now I can finally
do it! I'm not gonna do something quick and simple. Nah. We gotta do something bigger. We gotta do something better.
Nice.
We gotta do something that's actually scary. So scary, it'll make people cream their pants. Wait, no. I'm gonna make a giant spider. Might be wondering, why is this even needed? Well, probably not if you have something called a life, but in case you don't, or you genuinely care, it's not. I just want a giant spider on my porch. So without further ado, let's go ahead and make Spidey Boy.
So to make this spider, I'm gonna need these, some of this, these, this again, this, some of these, and this.
So for the base of the spider, that's what the 3 laundry baskets are for, and some of the trash bags. And then I got the foam noodles to make daddy long legs. Then I got the party streamer favorite paper, whatever, to go ahead and give it some sort of texture. I got 2 flashlights and some batteries. I was gonna kind of add like some eyes to it, some glowing eyes, and that's also what the red paper's for. So hopefully it can be like this red glowing eye effect. Could come out cool. I'm gonna go ahead and start making it.
Alright, so like I said, these are gonna be used to start the base. I got my zip ties. I'm gonna go ahead and start attaching them somehow. This might not work as well as I thought it would. Come on, get on.
Didn't see that.
It's already looking like a Nazi herself. That fat ass. Look at this, I'm telling you. Oh my god, yes. Hopefully this will fit through here at the bottom. Uh-oh. So unfortunately my zip ties aren't long enough, but with the super simple trick, knowledge. Let me try this again. Oop, put it in the wrong way. Apply some more of that knowledge. Alright. Gonna add some legs to this. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a pretty chunky spider. We're gonna have a super mega boy. We got some scissors to go ahead and cut the things on the edges. It's looking pretty simplistic so far. All of this is $3. $3 for a really good frame too. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this to size, which is about right here, just so that way I can attach them later and they'll bend more. And then we're gonna apply the cut to the rest of the 8 pieces. Alright, so basically it wouldn't even hurt to do just a 90-degree angle on these things. Alright, so now that we have the legs done, we're basically 50% finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the base and we should be good. You know, for now, this is the ghetto Nazi. We're gonna call her Shantika. I'm gonna add the second bag over this one. Probably wind up taping it down to give its shape back. Oh my god, this is looking awesome!
Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
I'm using this stuff, this party, banner, streamer, whatever. This is gonna be used to help create the texture for a Nazi. Slowly work my way around. Oh, my back. So, in the middle of wrapping this in this texture band or whatever, I realized it's probably best I put on the legs now before I finish the trash bag part, because apparently I'm already having issues with this being loose as it is. So I'm afraid if I start putting down the legs later, it's gonna go ahead and attach to this and it's gonna like not have too much support. So I'm gonna go ahead and start attaching these now. Ooh, I hope I can still do it.
That's pretty secure.
Bruh, these are just the first 4 legs. But this is actually looking pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, that is a thick boy. This thing is huge. With the legs put on, this looks amazing. Ooh. Bro, imagine pulling up and seeing this. This is a thick boy. This is a chunky monkey. Yes, sir. You know what's best about this is if you stop here, this actually would cost a lot less than what I paid. You've got 8 for the legs. You've got 3 for the laundry basket things. I only use 2 trash bags, so that's $1 for a pack of trash bags. And actually that was like 4 rolls of tape. So we've got 8, 12, 13, 14, so $16. This can be made for $16. And it could be even less depending on if you have the stuff yourself. Ah, that is awesome. So right now I'm outside of my apartment and this is the finished product. I put it on boxes to elevate it, but geez, that looks scary. Oh, that is a scary boy. Ooh, my camera quality ain't good. But yeah, that's definitely scary. Especially for $16. That's amazing.
So there you have it. Oh my god, that looks awesome. Nice. And what's even better is the whole thing actually costs like $16 when you don't use the rest of the materials like I did. I might go ahead and go back on it later, but right now it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. I still think it came out pretty fine. I mean, that's creepy as hell. Like when I start coming in from night, that's gonna scare the hell out of me. And of course, with the other materials, you can go ahead and make this yourself because like this is like super easy. I wouldn't say quick, but it's like super easy and I'm lazy, but you can make this way better than me. I enjoyed making this so much and the end result that came from it is amazing. I get to see this at least for, well, about 4 days. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later.